Good morning students. As in previous video I completed the chapter reach for the top. Today we will discuss over the questions. Now all of you open your book and see the questions. Answer these questions in one or two sentences each. The paragraph numbers within brackets provide clues to the answer. First, why was the holy man who gave Santosh's mother a blessing surprised? In the very beginning we have studied when the holy man wanted to bless Santosh's mother, he expected that Santosh's mother would wish for his son, but the grandmother of Santosh desired for a daughter, not for a son, so he was surprised. Second question, give an example to show that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. You have studied Santosh Yadav did not want to follow the traditional life, the traditional ideas, customs. When other girls were traditional dresses, she was wearing shorts. So by giving this example, you can write answer. Third question, why was Santosh sent to the local school? You have studied students, though the parents of Santosh were well-being, they were rich, they could send her away from his village, they could pay fees, but they did not do so. According to social custom, according to the system of that village, people did not send their daughters away from their houses. So Santosh was sent to the local school. Why did she leave home for Delhi and why? Students, you have studied that when she became 16 years old, she was under pressure of getting married, but she warned her parents, she threatened her parents that until she got education, she would not marry, and to get education, she had gone to Delhi. And she left home and she got admission in a school there. Fifth question, why did Santosh's parents agree to pay for the schooling in Delhi? What mental qualities of Santosh are brought into light by this incident? Students, you have studied without permission of her parents, Santosh had gone to Delhi and she had got admission there in a school, and when her parents refused to pay school fee, she informed them that she would do part-time job, she would work part-time to earn money to pay the school fees. Listening to this, her parents were agreed to pay school fees. And we find the quality that she was determined, she was optimistic. Now see the second part. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? Students, you have studied when Santosh had gone to Jaipur and she had got admission in a college, and from the room of Kasturba hostel she was looking towards the Rauri hills where the villagers were climbing and they disappeared there, and she had gone there and asked if she could join them. They advised her to study mountaineering, and she had gone to Uttarkashi and she had got admission in mountaineering school, and she got success. So slowly and slowly she had learned, she was impressed, she was inspired, and she had got success in her life. Next, what incidents during the Everest expedition show Santosh's concern for her teammates? As you know that Santosh had feeling of teammates as in Everest mission when a climber was about to die and she tried her best, but she could not save his life. But another time she had saved the life of another climber by sharing her oxygen. So you should write this. Next question. What shows her concern for the environment students who have studied that she was also a fervent mentalist, as she had brought down from the Himalaya, from the Everest, 500 kilograms of garbage. So it shows this. Yes. Next question. How does she describe her feelings at the summit of the Everest? As she had gone on the top of the Mount Everest, she was overjoyed and her feeling, she had got great joy, and she unfurled the tricolor of India there, and it was a great moment for her. You have studied, you should write that. Now see the next. Santosh Yadav got into the record books both times she scaled Mount Everest. What were the reasons for this? For both times, as you see that Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest twice. For the first time when she scaled Mount Everest, she was only the youngest woman to scale the Mount Everest. So her name was there mentioned in the record of in that record book. And the second time when she scaled the Mount Everest, she was only the woman who scaled twice the Mount Everest. So her name was mentioned there. Now students, complete the following statements. These statements you have to complete. After reading the book, you have to complete yourself. Now see the fourth. Pick out words from the next that means. Pick out the words from the text that means the same as the following words are expression. Look in the paragraph indicated. Took to be true without proof. First, without proof. Took to be true. First, assume. First will be assumed. Based on reason, sensible, reasonable, rational. Third, the usual way of doing things, custom. Fourth, a strong desire arising from within, urge. Fifth, the power to endure without falling ill, resistance. So we write these words in this students. This chapter has been finished, and you have to write difficult word meanings, and you should solve the exercise. After completing, after writing your clear copy, you have to submit it. You have to submit your homework on 8th September. You have, today is 6th, you have to submit it on 8th. Okay, thank you.